In the golden minute of birth, precision is everything. Today, we bridge the technical rigor of NRP 8th edition with the ancient sensory wisdom of Ayurvedic Prana Pratyagamana for a comprehensive approach to neonatal care. Modern protocols begin with rapid evaluation using the APGAR score at 1 and 5 minutes. We assess appearance, pulse, grimace, activity and respiration to determine the need for immediate intervention and maintain a neutral thermal environment. If apnea or bradycardia persists, we initiate positive pressure ventilation. If chest rise is inadequate, we apply the MR-SOPA corrective steps: mask adjustment, repositioning, suctioning, opening the mouth, pressure increase, and alternative airway. Our goal is to reach a heart rate above 100 beats per minute while monitoring pre-ductal SpO2 to ensure oxygen saturation follows the target range for the first 10 minutes of life. If the heart rate falls below 60, chest compressions at a 3.1 ratio begin with 100% oxygen. In advanced cases, epinephrine via UVC is administered to restore circulatory volume. Ayurveda views this as the restoration of prana vayu, the life breath. The Prana Pratyagamana protocol uses sensory motor stimulation to gently awaken the newborn's vital systems. We perform Mukha Parisheka, sprinkling water infused with aromatic herbs like vacha, known for its neuroprotective and respiratory stimulating properties, to trigger the first breath. Auditory stimulation, or Shabda Shravana, involves sounding a conch shell near the ear. This creates a sonic vibration that targets the Mridupushpa, or the soft centers of the brain, to initiate reflex activity. Rakshogna Karma uses fumigation with antimicrobial resins like Guggulu and Jatamansi. This purifies the environment and acts as a mild bronchodilator for the fragile neonatal lungs. Herbs like Brahmi and Vacha are traditionally used for Medya Rasayana, enhancing neurological recovery and protecting the brain from hypoxic ischemic insults during the transition. Post-resuscitation, we continue rigorous monitoring of neurological status and metabolic markers, ensuring the baby is stable both clinically and energetically. Integrating these sciences allows for culturally sensitive healthcare. It empowers doctors to treat with precision and families to heal with trust and tradition. By combining the technical mastery of NRP with the sensory depth of Ayurveda, we protect the beginning of life. Subscribe for more in-depth medical education and join our community below.